Hi, in front of me is LG K22 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Start by opening menu. Then click on calendar and tap on the month above to select the date. When you're done, click at the bottom right corner on the plus sign and choose event. Over here you can add a title, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before. Click done. Choose color by clicking on default color. Add people, location and many other things. When you're done, click at the top right corner on save. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, tap on it, click at the three dots, choose delete and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!